stand, Bola, on your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate, we shall stand.
Tinubu is a leading Nigerian politician, so I wear his hat, and I'm not ashamed of this. But I'll tell you something. The dream of Awolowo was a handshake across the Niger. Nigeria, Yoruba were never in the mainstream of Nigerian politics all through the life of Awolowo. That was his dream. Bola Tinubu is the practicality of Awolowo's dream. Bola Tinubu made it possible for Yorubas to be in the mainstream of Nigerian politics. That's where we are now in the center. If you want to do your calculations very, very well, Bola Tinubu is the Awolowo of our time. Naturally, what man does is to be better than your father. Bola Tinubu is a better reincarnation of Awolowo. I predict that someday a man younger, in fact, much younger than us, because you can't call us a young man anymore, will be better than Bola Tinubu. And Nigeria will worship him. And I'll tell you what has happened. Bola Tinubu was able to make an incumbent government lose an election and install an opposition. It never happened in this country. Bola Tinubu was able to tell Buhari, yes, you may have 12 million voters following you, but I will make you president. Let's work together. And I tell you, even with those 12 million, this is Buhari's son here. They are the same people, they are from Gawara together. His father and Buhari were friends and brothers for a very long time. He has followed Buhari all his life. I know him very well. We work together in the same office. Now, and I tell you, what Bola Tinubu has been able to do, don't believe that coming together was easy. It wasn't. Buhari was a bit uncomfortable about Bola Tinubu. He says, I don't understand this kind of. I don't understand this kind of. Bola Tinubu too was saying, well, this man is too rigid. I think he's a fundamentalist. I don't think I can work with him. But there was a man in the center of that, Abu Ibrahim. He never got tired. He saw in Bola Tinubu what Buhari was lacking. He saw in Buhari what Bola Tinubu was lacking. And he was able to bring the two together. And that is why we have the APC we have today. People like Buba Galadima that is shouting now was against that merger. They never wanted that merger to take place. And what Buhari didn't have money. He could not even do campaign in 36 states because he wanted to go and join commercial planes. Before he could get a flight, the campaign people they have left in Delhi. He was part of them. He was going around with him. Bola Tinubu put 2 jets down. Said this jet, fly this jet. In 2014, Buhari went to almost 38 states in this Nigeria. You understand? That is what we call collaborative endeavor. And that was what gave us government in 2015. The Times of New York carried that story. A man that was able to install a government in Africa. Bola Tinubu is Africa's political Pythagoras. You cannot joke with him in this situation. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.